All right, so CoolCove has been blowing up online lately. It promises to cool or heat your room in minutes, cut your electricity bill, and requires zero installation. Sounds like a dream, but before you buy, here are 4 things you need to know. So the big selling point is something they call the rapid cool system. The idea is simple. Air goes in warm, passes through some internal plates, comes out cold. No exhaust hose, no window unit, no complicated setup. But here's where it gets tricky. There's zero independent data to prove it actually works the way they say. No BTU rating, no lab tests, nothing from a third party. And if you know anything about how cooling actually works, you know that without pushing heat outside the room, you're not really cooling anything. You're just moving air around. Then there's the energy savings claim. They say it can handle rooms up to 550 square feet and actually lower your electricity bill. They've got testimonials on the website from happy customers saying exactly that. But testimonials aren't proof. There's no real testing behind it, no hard numbers, no independent verification. Your results are going to depend entirely on your room, your climate, your insulation, and honestly, there are a lot of variables they're not talking about. Now here's something that really caught our attention. CoolCove retails for around $99.99 a unit, but products that look almost identical to it are sitting on Alibaba right now for somewhere between $7 and $14 per unit wholesale, meaning someone could be buying these for as little as $7 and flipping them for $100. That's a potential markup of anywhere from 600 to over 1,300%. Maybe there are meaningful differences we can't see, but that kind of margin is a serious question worth asking before you hand over your money. And finally, the reviews. The company behind this is called Honest, and their Trustpilot page is a mixed bag. Some people love the customer service, but dig into the negative reviews and you'll find people saying they got charged for things they never agreed to, signed up for memberships they didn't know about, and received products that just didn't do what they were supposed to. These are individual claims, not proven facts, but the same story showing up from multiple people is never a great sign. Look, maybe CoolCove works great for some people, but the lack of real performance data, the pricing questions, and those recurring customer complaints all add up to something worth thinking about before you spend your money. Do your research, read the fine print, and go in with your eyes open.